Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today's video we are flying from Lisbon to San Francisco on TAP Portugal and A330 I think. Just currently in Lisbon airport waiting for the plane. It's about to be boarding in like an hour and a half probably, so yeah, I hope you enjoy. This flight is also like 12 hours as well, so it's really long. So yeah, a long journey today.
Yes, I've done it, yep. And okay. Check it 3 days. Josh, can you
Here we are in San Francisco waiting for the BART into the town. Here we are now in San Francisco, the city.